Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And today we're talking about how to lock the fucking... Yeah, whatever, it's good enough. We tried to sing that shit, whatever. So, how to lock the fucking...
Exactly.
There's this thing called the switch. What is it? Bro, I can't even explain that. What I can tell you about that switch is... What is it even? First off, it's a mechanism in your brain. It's something you build in your brain. It's something you use to trigger discipline, to trigger seriousness. I think we can say that, I guess. Just to lock in, basically. That's what the switch is. You can replicate the sound of a switch, I don't mean the cranking switch, like, I mean like, just...
Like a snap, with a finger snap.
It's literally like hypnosis. You have to do...
Just imagine the Thanos snap,
I was talking.
I'm sorry, I had to...
So, what is it? What it is literally just like hypnosis. It's you do something to replicate that over and over and over again to finally get used to it and make what we call a switch in your brain. Form it, build it in your brain. The mechanism you use. I might sound crazy and I might sound like I'm talking bullshit, and you might think that. And I might even be talking bullshit, but to me it works. You too. It's simple. If you're goofing around, if you're distracted by something, you have to have this just to lock in, When you're like, oh shit, I'm playing Clash and I'm listening to some music and whatever, and I'm like, oh shit, I have work to do and I'm lazing off. Just do that. Like, oh shit, close that, take the fucking notebook out and do whatever you gotta do, and do your fucking work. Maybe I need to edit my video. I close fucking Clash on my phone, I close YouTube, I close the music, I open the CapCut, and then I start editing. That's what it is. Here, we did that earlier too. We couldn't get ourselves to record the video. We were just doing random shit. I was playing Clash, he was doing other shit. Then he was doing the script.
I was looking for the script, but
you were also goofing around.
After the script, I was just playing Clash Royale again.
And yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We just did that. It was like, oh shit, we need to lock in. I did it like a couple of times until I finally sat down and did this because I kind of forget how to use the switch, but whatever. So, how do you make that switch? How do you build that up? You might want to talk about that.
Well, basically, it's a method of discipline.
Yeah.
The more you do it, the more you get used to it, the more the clicking sound
will trigger your brain.
Will trigger your brain to focus and do the task at hand.
Can I cut you off? Try to explain how you do that. Like, what do you do to make that? First off, you're talking about repeating that over and over, but what are you repeating? You know how to do it? That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm asking.
How to do it?
It's not just like explain
it.
Explain how do you fucking lock in? How do you make that connect to your brain?
Well, I think you already told them already. Like, you just use it to just focus.
You know how in certain moments you just get serious out of the blue. Like,
exactly. Yeah.
You gotta be able to control that. You have to be able to do that at your will. When you want to do it, you shouldn't be chaotic and wait for it to happen magically. You should be able to trigger it, and that snapping of a finger is the trigger. It's the switch. It's what we call the switch.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't need to be switch. You can use even a different method. Back in the day, I was basically counting
1, 2, 3.
Exactly, 1, 2, 3. I just get up out of my bed and just start doing something productive.
I did that too.
The reason why we're telling you this is it is fucking helpful. It is very fucking helpful. The moment you can instantly just focus on the thing you have to do, it feels like a fucking superpower, honestly.
It does.
The more you use it, the better you get, and honestly, you just feel proud of yourself. And if you stop, generally it will be harder for you to lock in, generally. But if you never stop, never give in, just keep on doing the things.
Give up.
No, give in. Like
no, give in to doing it is good.
Giving in, what I mean by that is like not giving in to the distractions.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. You could say that.
Not giving in to the distractions and just focus on the thing that matters the most. You will be proud of yourself and you will be happy. Honestly, genuinely.
I mean, happy, I don't know about happy. You might be happy after you lock in and you do the thing, then you'll be
yeah, exactly.
You feel satisfied. which is kind of
very
happy.
good word. Satisfied. Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what
It's
I
not
was
really
thinking.
happiness; it's satisfaction,
Yeah.
which could lead to happiness. I honestly think being satisfied is better than being happy. Like, I don't like you telling me a couple of cool things just to make me happy is good. I love that. I enjoy it. But honestly, working my ass off all day and then getting paid, that's satisfaction. It's what I get from it, not just the money.
Yeah.
And that's what makes me fucking. Well, it makes me happy. So they're connected. Talking nonsense, kind of getting off topic, but it was a nice little segment to talk about.
So that's about it.
Goddamn, we said that in fucking segment. No, there's one more thing. You just
Oh, yeah?
don't stop doing it. You talk about the.
Yeah, I already told them.
You
Just
did.
don't give in.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
I just forgot. Whatever. I wasn't
Don't
here.
worry, don't worry.
I was here for emotional support and to explain what the Switch is. So,
Don't forget to
so
like,
like, subscribe with the notification bell on, and of course, click share. Share the video with your friends if you think they might like it, and maybe subscribe to our channel as well, like the video. And of course, you and your friends can comment anything positive you might want to say to us. Any ideas? Maybe a question. Maybe you need an advice for something, and we could give you an advice in the comments, or we could just make a whole video on that advice you need, so we can give it to you more personally instead of just typing it in the comments.
Yeah.
And of course, criticism. Come on, criticize us for mistakes we make. If we do make a mistake, let me check my mic is good. If we do make a mistake, please let us know. Please tell us how we can fix it if you know how to. If not, we're gonna figure it out. Still tell us, And that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do for us to be happy and our channel to grow. We're, chasing 50 subscribers. Did we even mention we kind of just hit 40?
Oh fuck,
We
and
hit 40 subs. So shit, that's good,
let's go.
Oh fuck, we missed that. That's
Let's
good.
go.
That's good. So we said everything we needed to say, and we'll see you. Come on, do your
So, feel better, be better.
live more.
Live
I
more.
forgot the motto. Fuck.
That's about it,
We'll see
guys.
you in the next one. Fucking do the dab up. We'll see you in the next
See you
one.
guys.
Peace.